Copy trading is a feature that allows individuals to automatically mirror the trades of experienced investors. However, some popular trading platforms do not currently offer this feature, which means users cannot automatically replicate another trader's portfolio or trades within the platform. To get around this limitation, there are a few workarounds that can be used. One option is manual replication, which involves following investment ideas from reputable sources or communities and manually executing similar trades. Another approach is to utilize educational materials to develop one's own trading strategies. Additionally, for those who consider copy trading essential to their strategy, it may be worth considering using multiple platforms, including ones that offer copy trading features alongside their existing account. By exploring these alternatives, individuals can still achieve their trading goals, even if their primary platform does not offer copy trading.